20 tools, one shift, and most small business owners are completely behind it. Right now, the SBA, the Small Business Administration, is actively promoting AI adoption, not as a trend, as a survival strategy. And if you're still running your business the way you were 2 years ago, you need to hear what's actually happening. This is the Leverage Lab, and today I'm breaking down the 20 AI tools reshaping small business, what they do, why they matter, and exactly how to use them without wasting time or money. Here's what most people get wrong about AI in small business. They think it's about replacing humans. It's not. It's about leverage. It's about a 2-person team operating with the output of a 10-person team without the payroll. The businesses winning right now aren't the ones with the biggest budgets. They're the ones that identified one bottleneck, automated it, and moved faster than everyone else in their lane. The pattern across every tool I'm about to show you is the same: speed, consistency, and affordability. AI doesn't replace your judgment or your client relationships. It handles the repetitive work so you can show up where it actually matters. That's the shift. From doing everything yourself into designing systems that do it for you. Let's break this down by business function, operations, and admin. Microsoft 365 Copilot and Google Workspace AI are changing how daily work gets done inside the tools most businesses already use. Email drafting, meeting summaries, document cleanup. These aren't flashy features. They're time, back in your day, every single day. Monday, AI adds structure to project management, turning scattered tasks into trackable workflows so nothing falls through the cracks. Finance. Sage and Xero are using AI to automate bookkeeping, categorize transactions, and track invoices without manual input. For owners who've been doing this by hand or paying someone to do it, this is direct cost reduction. Clarity over your cash flow means faster, safer decisions. Sales and customer management. Salesforce AI helps small businesses stop losing leads. It organizes customer data, suggests follow-up actions, and keeps the sales pipeline moving consistently even when the owner is busy. Shopify Sidekick does the same for e-commerce operators. Product insights, store management, operational support without technical overhead. Marketing and content. This is where most small businesses are leaving money on the table. Canva Magic Studio and Adobe Express with Firefly mean you don't need a designer to produce professional visuals. Buffer AI handles social media, ideas, captions, scheduling. MailChimp's generative AI writes your email campaigns. Jasper handles ad copy, landing pages, blog drafts. Grammarly tightens every piece of communication you put out. Customer support. Freshdesk's Freddy AI and Tidio answer questions, capture leads, and keep service running after hours. That's revenue and reputation protected without adding headcount. Analytics. ThoughtSpot uses AI to surface the insights most owners don't have time to dig for, like what's selling, what's stalling, where to cut, where to scale. And meetings. Otter transcribes and summarizes so your team stops losing decisions and action items inside conversations nobody documented. 20 tools. Every function of your business covered. Now here's what not to do. Don't try to implement all of this at once. That's how you waste time. Overspend on subscriptions you don't use, and burn yourself out on setup instead of execution. Don't assume AI replaces strategy. It doesn't. These tools multiply your output. They don't replace your ability to know your customer, position your offer, or build trust. And don't ignore adoption. The tool is useless if your team doesn't actually use it. Start with one workflow, get it working, then expand. The businesses that fall behind on AI aren't the ones that didn't know about it. They're the ones that waited until it was obvious, which is always too late. A few practical notes. Start with what you already pay for. If you're on Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace, AI features may already be available to you. You just haven't turned them on. For automation and connecting your apps, Zapier is the tool that ties everything together. Forms, emails, CRM, calendar, one workflow instead of 5 tabs. On security, when you're using AI tools for customer data, invoices, or business communications, check the privacy policy. Know where your data is stored, whether it's used for model training, and whether you can opt out. For financial tools especially, Sage, Xero, use enterprise-grade options with audit trails. And for design tools like Canva and Adobe, use licensed AI-generated content only. If you're running paid ads, verify the usage rights on every asset. Here's the bottom line. The playing field has changed. A small business that uses AI well can respond faster, market more consistently, and operate cleaner than a competitor twice its size. That's not an exaggeration. That's the actual advantage available to you right now. But the window doesn't stay open forever. Every month you wait is a month your competition is building the system you haven't started yet. So here's your one action. Pick the biggest time drain in your business today: content, admin, support, finance, and find the one tool from this list that addresses it. Start there, just one. That's how leverage is built, one system at a time. I have prepared a pack of 50 prompts for all the business owners to just paste it in Claude once, and it brings full clarity to the workflow. You can get the link from the comment section. If you found this useful, subscribe. This is the Leverage Lab. See you next week.